EDDY Pump Corporation, a pioneering force in advanced geothermal energy extraction. EDDY Pump excels in designing and manufacturing cutting-edge industrial slurry pumps and dredge equipment, ideally suited for the challenging environments of geothermal applications. With a solid commitment to sustainability and environmental consciousness, EDDY Pump has developed energy-efficient solutions tailored to the unique needs of geothermal projects. Join us as we explore how EDDY Pump's state-of-the-art technology unlocks new possibilities in geothermal power generation. EDDY Pump's industrial slurry pumps play a pivotal role in various critical applications within geothermal energy extraction, supporting the entire geothermal power generation process. Let's dive into these essential applications. During the drilling phase of geothermal wells, slurry transport pumps circulate drilling fluids, mud, downhole. These pumps help maintain pressure, cool the drill bit, and transport cuttings to the surface, ensuring efficient and effective drilling operations. Slurry transport pumps extract hot water or steam containing solids and impurities after tapping a geothermal reservoir. These pumps transport the geothermal fluid to the surface for further processing, contributing to the efficiency of the energy extraction process. In some geothermal plants, re-injection of extracted fluid is crucial to maintain reservoir pressure and sustainability. Industrial slurry pumps are employed to re-inject the liquid, ensuring it reaches the desired depth and managing solids that may have settled during extraction. Geothermal brine, often corrosive and containing dissolved solids, is a byproduct of fluid extraction. Heavy-duty slurry pumps transport and handle the brine for further processing or disposal, contributing to environmental management. In geothermal power plants where steam drives turbines, slurry pumps circulate cooling water through condensers and cooling systems, optimizing plant efficiency and power generation. In geothermal binary power plants, where a secondary working fluid generates electricity, high solids pumps handle and transport bottom ash produced during the binary cycle, enhancing system reliability. Geothermal fluids often carry entrained solids and sediments. High solids pumps efficiently transfer these solids-laden fluids to sedimentation ponds or separation units, ensuring optimal material handling. In some geothermal power plants, waste heat from the cooling cycle can generate additional power. Slurry transport pumps may transfer this waste heat to secondary processes, maximizing energy conversion efficiency. To maintain reservoir integrity and long-term sustainability during geothermal energy extraction, industrial slurry pumps can inject fluids or materials into the reservoir, promoting efficient heat exchange and power generation. Heavy-duty slurry pumps are indispensable in geothermal energy extraction, offering efficient well drilling, reliable fluid transport, effective material handling, and sustainable reservoir management. EDDY Pump's specialized industrial slurry pumps, designed to handle abrasive materials and high temperatures, have the potential to significantly improve the efficiency and reliability of these critical applications in geothermal energy extraction. Now, let's explore the significance of hydraulic dredging equipment in geothermal energy extraction, especially during the construction and maintenance of geothermal well fields. Hydraulic dredging employs high-pressure water jets and specialized equipment to remove sediment, rocks, and debris from the wellbore and surrounding areas. Hydraulic dredging equipment ensures the wellbore remains clean and clear during drilling, promoting stability and smooth drilling operations, a vital aspect of successful geothermal well construction. Hydraulic dredgers enhance well development by cleaning perforations or fractures in the surrounding rock after drilling. This process improves fluid flow, enhancing the well's productivity and efficiency. Over time, geothermal reservoirs may accumulate sediments, minerals, and debris, reducing efficiency. Hydraulic dredging removes these sediments, ensuring continued reservoir productivity. In geothermal operations involving fluid reinjection, hydraulic dredging improves connectivity between the injection well and the reservoir. enhancing the effectiveness of reinjection for reservoir sustainability. Hydraulic dredging efficiently cleans and maintains equipment and pipelines within the geothermal system, optimizing their performance and contributing to the overall efficiency of geothermal energy extraction. Hydraulic dredging is used for managing and controlling the flow of geothermal fluids within the reservoir, ensuring optimal fluid flow and improving energy extraction efficiency. As a leader in manufacturing dredge equipment, EDDY Pump provides specialized hydraulic dredging solutions for geothermal applications. Their equipment's ability to handle abrasive materials and withstand the challenges of geothermal conditions makes it an invaluable asset for geothermal well construction and maintenance. EDDY Pump advances geothermal energy as a sustainable and reliable power source, offering efficient and effective hydraulic dredging solutions for geothermal energy extraction. In conclusion, EDDY Pump Corporation is at the forefront of geothermal energy extraction, delivering advanced solutions that enhance well drilling, fluid transport, and material handling, all while maintaining sustainability and environmental consciousness. EDDY Pump's technology promises to unlock new possibilities in geothermal power generation, making it more efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly. Thank you for joining us. To learn more about EDDY Pump and its groundbreaking solutions for geothermal energy, please visit our website or contact us today. EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.